writers, Mrs. Freeland here. We are starting a new unit today, and I'm so excited to be with you. So, the new unit we're starting is kind of similar to our last unit where you're writing about it, being an expert about something. But this unit, we're actually going to write books that will teach someone something that we know how to do. So, those are called how to books. Maybe someone in your family has a how to book about something they wanted to learn. Maybe you've checked one out at the library. So I think your teacher's going to let you look at some how to books that you might enjoy. And that's a great way to learn new things. But someone has to write those books, right, boys and girls? Someone that knows a lot about that thing can write a how to book about it, and that's you. So when we write a how to book, we're going to write about something that we know how to do, something that we know how to make, or something that we know how to play. So those things, start thinking about, what am I really good at? And I know how to do that I could teach someone else. So for instance, you could write a how-to book about, maybe you like to go skateboarding. Well, boys and girls, I don't have a skateboard and I know I'm not good at it. So should I choose that to write a book about it? No, because I'm not good at it and I don't know that much about it. So that's not what I want to write a book out about. So you really have to think. That's our first step in our writing chart, is to think of a topic, picture it happening, and then we're going to go through the other steps of writing today. So if I were to think about something that I'm good at, that I like to do, I like gardening. Something I like to do is going to the beach, so I could give really advice on how to plan a day at the beach. Um, Maybe how to give a dog a bath, because our dog does not like baths, and there's some tricks to it. Maybe I want to write a book about that, like how to give your big fluffy golden retriever a bath, right, when she does not want to get in. So boys and girls, if I'm going to pick something, you're going to think about, what do you know how to do? What do you know how to make? Or what do you know how to play? It could be a game, it could be a craft, could be an activity, could be something outside, inside, something you like to do with your family, something you like to do by yourself. Um, Maybe you're really good at making something, um, a game you always like to play, something that you know how to do, right? So all of those are possibilities. So I'm going to think. That's our first step, is to think of it. Next, I'm going to picture it happening. So if I'm going to write about giving my dog a bath, I'm going to picture giving my dog a bath, because I'm going to picture everything I need to do and tell that person about when I'm giving the dog a bath. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to rehearse and practice, because that's how you get the story straightened out in your mind before you try and write it down. So I'm going to use my fingers to help me, and I'm going to see how many things I have to do to give a dog a bath. Well, I'm imagining putting water in the bathtub. And then I'm imagining getting your dog in the bathroom. But this is the thing. I didn't tell everybody what to get ready first. Now, as I'm picturing it, I remember, before we try and give my dog a bath, we get old towels ready. We get the shampoo ready. We get treats ready. And I get some kind of a cup to pour water over the top of the dog while we're giving her a bath. So, and a comb, a dog brush, right? So I get all those things ready. So I'm thinking that I'm going to have one page about like what you need to get ready, and then how to get the water ready. The next step might be getting the dog to the bathroom and the bathtub, and you might need those treats to get her in there. That's how we get our dog in the bathroom, because she knows she doesn't like baths. So then, if your dog is a big dog like ours is, you might need help lifting her in the tub, or maybe not. You know, a lot of times it's a two-person job, because one person has to wash her when the other person holds her. So do you see it, boys and girls, how I'm counting all the things I have to tell people? I have to tell people about what they need, how to get the water ready, how to get the snacks ready, how to get your dog in the bathtub, and then like how to shampoo up your dog. That's 5 things. Maybe how to rinse off your dog. And probably the last thing I would say is how to dry her off with a towel, an old towel, and like comb her out. So, boys and girls, that's 7 things that I have to tell someone all the steps about washing a dog. And I might have to add something to that. So, boys and girls, I'm going to need 7 pages for my story because each page is going to be a different thing I'm going to teach. Okay? So, let's look at our steps. First, you're going to think of a topic like I did. Think of something that you know how to do, something that you like to play, or something that you can make. Picture it happening, just like I pictured giving my dog a bath. Then I could see everything I needed. And then I thought, oh, I better not just tell people to run the water first when you've got to get all those things ready because we have to lock the dog in the bathroom to keep her in there. So you can't just go get things ready after she's in there. You have to have those ready when you start. And then picture it happening. And then when I told you, I was saying it right. So you're going to have a partner. You're going to, or someone around you, you're going to talk about and tell about what you're going to do, how you're going to tell your story, how to do it. And then you might as you're telling, reorder things, right? And each talking point, each part of the how to is a page. So then you're going to sketch those ideas. Maybe I would sketch the towels, I would sketch the soap, I would sketch the dog in the tub, right? Write it and then revise it are our writing steps. Boys and girls, I'm so excited about this unit because I think you are going to be great writers, and I'm excited to have your teacher learn all the things that you know how to do and you can teach the others. And it'll be fun to hear and learn how to do other things, won't it, boys and girls? All right, good luck thinking of great ideas today.